Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 4, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. 9th row, we get 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. 3rd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column H, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 6th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd grade, column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, we get 2, 4 and 6. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. 5th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th row, we have 1. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 3rd grade, column H, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 1st grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 6th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, column J, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in any one of these cells. You confirm later. 7th row and 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, VO2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second grade, third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.